Let's check out. Tada! There you go. Wow. Nagkasabaw siya ng konti dahil nag-moisture yung, ayan o, still intact the sardines. Kasi guys, when you cook in Saladmaster, you don't need to stir the vegetable or the food you are cooking. It's gonna cook by itself. So it seal it, the nutrients and vitamins of the food when you cook in Saladmaster. And this is my sardines, guisado with sayote, asparagus, tomatoes, and also onions and garlic. And plus, I'm gonna add the lettuce. So this is my only dinner, no carbs diet. A Saladmaster 3/4 stovetop cookware in a medium low heat, guys. Medium low heat only to make it sure that all the nutrients and vitamins intact is still in the food. And I didn't add any oil for guisado. So parang sinangag ko lang yung sibuyas at bawang to make it roasted. Let's check it out. Tada! There you go. Wow! Nagkasabaw siya ng konti dahil nag-moisture yung, ayan o, still intact the sardines. Kasi guys, when you cook in Saladmaster, you don't need to stir the vegetable or the food you are cooking. It's gonna cook by itself. So it seal it, the nutrients and vitamins of the food when you cook in Saladmaster. And no stirring, because if you keep stirring while you are cooking, you're losing all the nutrients and vitamins of your food. It's evaporating. So you're just gonna open it when it's time for you to eat. Let's try my sardine guisado. I'm just gonna get the sayote first. Wow. Crunchy pa ang sayote, which is I like. So it didn't go saggy the vegetables. That's how I like. So it's intact still the nutrients and vitamins because hindi ba nalabog sa Tagalog, so it didn't go saggy. That's the way you should cook always your vegetables. A little bit crunchy or half cooked, and you get more nutrients from it. So that's why our cookware is the best cookware, because it keeps and seal the nutrients and vitamins. So saving nutrients, vitamins of your food when you are cooking, saving time, because I cook this only for 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes only for sardine with vegetables guisado, and save a lot of money because you don't have to use oil for your guisado, for gisa-gisa or any for frying. Diba guys? Smart to be healthy, eat healthy, be healthy, prefer your food healthy, cook your food healthy, hindi yung mga lumalangoy sa mantika kaya puro kayo sakitin kasi mahilig kayo lumamon or kumain ng mga pinalangoy sa mantika na pagkain. Kaya ayan, magdusa kayo sa mga sakit nyo. Ay, super sasarap. See? It's so yummy. Grabe, maanghang-anghang ng konti. So, just a mild spicy because of the sardines I bought. The small sardines is spicy. So, when you cook with vegetable, it's become mild spicy and it's so good. Good for cold weather.